Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to the Philippines.
So, ayan nga, dahil bigla nang uwi, Karakaraka, sumaba kami sa matinding bagyo. Kahit papaano, nakarating kami dito ahead of time. Buti na lang, naisipan kong umalis talaga ng maaga. Grabe, mga nakalubog yung mga sasakyan. Tumirik na sa gitna, lumalangoy na. Merong nag-shoot na sa gutter. So, buti na lang submarine yung sinakyan namin. Mahusay yung kapitan. Salute kay Diggs. Hindi lang sa basketball magaling, pati sa paghanap ng daan.
Pati pag...
Salamat. Andito na kami. Waiting for check-in. Yes?
For kids?
Yes, that's for kids.
Daddy, this said it's time for kids. See?
Check-in opens at 16:10. Luckily, after almost 15 minutes of waiting, pila na agad sila 5 minutes ahead of check-in time. So, kukunti pa yung tao. Hopefully, makapunta tayo sa waiting area ng maaga. So, babawasan yung pagtayo natin, pag-upo ng komportable.
Please hold on. The train is ready to depart to D gate.
So, due to bad weather conditions that causes our flight delays, everyone, you can take this. Yeah, you're welcome. So, ayan, napagod na kasi more than 12 hours nang naka-stay dito sa airport. And until now, wala pa ring flight schedule. So, hindi pa namin alam kung makakalabas kami. Thankfully, bigyan naman sila ng courtesy snacks, sandwich and cupcakes with water. Sobrang pagod na ng tao. It is now more than 24 hours since we left our flight. So, hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin kaming departure time. Sobrang pagod na. One day na kami dito. And then reschedule naman yung flight namin tomorrow. Mas maaga naman yung magiging schedule namin para bukas. Hopefully, matuloy na siya. Pero base kay ate, representative ng Cebu Pacific, may slot naman na tayong nakuha. Binigyan na ng slot. So far, okay naman. Hindi nila kami pinabayaan. Hanggang ngayon nandito pa rin sila. Kasabay namin sila dito. Talagang mag 2 days na rin sila dito sa gate, sa boarding gate. Hindi sila umalis. Very helpful naman, at saka informative. Sana lang hindi na magkaroon ng problema bukas para tuloy-tuloy na kami mag-uwi. They are serving foods, courtesy foods from the airlines. So we now got our second meal. It's a courtesy meal from Cebu Pacific. Hindi nila kami pinabayaang magutom. Ito yung mga kasamahan namin. Mas pinili nilang mag-stay dito kesa lumabas at umuwi kasi kapag lumabas ka, wala kang security na makakabalik ka within the time. Hanggang ngayon kasi may mga areas pa rin na flooded sa labas, so mahirap na makabalik 100% on time. Kaya eto, dito na lang kami para sigurado kesa lumabas pa. Ito, hindi na nakaalis-alis dito itong mga gamit na to. Tapos yung isa walang kamuwang-muwang, tuloy-tuloy lang yung paglalaro. Exactly 6:15. This is DJ Iya, and you're tuned into Principe Amantes Bay. And our situation as for now, still waiting while the airline crews are giving away McDonald's meal. Ito, as for now, may commotion dito sa isa namang airlines. I think papuntang China to. Inaaway din nila yung yung mga airline crew. Hindi nyo naman masisisi yung mga yan kasi hindi naman sila cancel ng biyahe kundi ang airport authority. So dapat lawakan lang ang pangunawa. Nag-i-enjoy si brother ng si kabayan ng kanilang courtesy drink. Shot oh. May buffet. Juices, coffees, salads. So, tagay tayo ng whiskey. May martini, King Robert, rock glass. What do you want? What? You want orange juice? Are you sure? I don't think they have a straw. And now you need to change that. This is it, guys. Ito na. Nasa lounge kami. Pangalawang gabi namin dito sa airport. Hopefully hindi na umabot ng 3 ah. Talaga nakakapagod na rin. Ayan. Tumagay ng konti para maganda ang ating discharge.
May ano nga yun, saluyot.
There is black beans and saluyot daw. Saluyot?
Alokos.
Or alugbati?
Saluyot.
Here. Here.
Can I see? I can't see that.
You can see it? Yep.
The chocolate.
Oh, no, not the slipper.
The chocolate one is this one.
Okay. This one? You love it? So this is the current status now. If not delayed, they canceled flight. Cancelled. And some has already resumed their operations. 3:33 in the morning. So finally after 3 days, boarded na kami ng Airbus, pero pinahirapan pa rin ako kasi naiwanan tong phone ng anak ko sa kabilang boarding gate, kabilang dulo ng terminal, and then na-assign kami ng boarding sa kabilang dulo. So while boarding, I have to run. Tinakbo ko mabilis para mahanap ko agad, at luckily mabait yung in-check na nakakita nitong phone. Huminto siya doon, naghintay hanggang may maghanap ng phone. Binalik niya sa akin. Pinakita ko sa kanya, in-enter ko yung password. Sheshe, my friend, whoever you are, you're so good. You're a blessing. Hinihintay na lang namin na matapos ang loading ng mga bagahe. Kaya na. Ayan, sa kabilang airlines. Naglo-loading na rin ang mga ibang lahi. Study.
Your helicopter demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each of your seat is provided with a seatbelt to fasten, push, and together. The tightened seatbelt by pulling loose and then fasten the control full free and release. In case of water landing or land passes from over your seat, remove sharp objects from your body to don't slip us over the hand. Take them around the waist and push M to buckle. Pull tape to tighten when outside the aircraft. Pull inflation back and play it fast. Manual inflation is done by the means of red tilt blow to increase air and push pen inward to release the air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not deflate the life vest inside the aircraft, and please be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change and cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic band sideways, first up and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you're advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lines that will lead you to the exit. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a fire rack.
We're going. We're going.
Yeah, we're up. We're up. May mga baha pa rin.
That's the word of Dubai.
Yeah. Look at those yacht,
What?
yacht park. There's just no yacht yet.
I think we're still going up.
This is a man-made island.
That's the airplane in the air.
Yeah. What? You're here?
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're in the car airplane. Today you like making love. I know you
You can remove your seatbelt now.
how do you know?
Few minutes before landing, they are serving complimentary drinks.
Sige, sige, miss. Sugar and flavor mo. Careful.
Ito, kasamahan natin sa biyahe natin. Mindanao ka pa? Okay. Bati ka sa mga fans natin sa Mindanao. Ayan. Si ate, uuwi pa ng Mindanao. Connecting flight pa siya. So, adjusted din yung kanyang yung kanyang...
Ano yan, Yala?
Hindi.
Oh.
Hingi natin ang kanyang opinion sa nangyari sa atin sa biyahe natin. Ate, anong masasabi mo dun sa naging experience natin sa biyahe natin?
Maganda.
Hindi maganda?
Experience natin. Tatlong araw na yung
Tatlong araw, 2 gabi sa airport.
Gabi sa airport na tulog lang sa
Wala naman tayo magagawa kasi act of God yun eh. Sa airlines, ano masasabi mo sa airlines na sinasakay natin?
Wala akong masasabi. Okay naman yung
Okay naman. Ang serbisyo okay. Okay. Kung may suggestions ka na pwedeng i-suggest para ma-improve pa nila yung kanilang serbisyo. Ano yung pwede mong ano. Para sa akin, parang second night natin, after nila tayong bigyan ng information na pwede tayong pumunta sa lounge, parang pinabayaan na tayo.
Kaya po.
Nawalan na sila ng representative na nagre-reach out sa atin.
Oo, ipa-follow up tayo.
Oo, yun.
Kahit sana lang tayo napunta ng gate.
Hanggang kinabukasan.
Hanggang kinabukasan. Wala na sila.
Wala na nag-reach out, ano?
Wala na
May
nag-reach
lumabas
out.
lang no malapit ng parang nanguhula tayo kung matutuloy ba yung biyahe natin o
matutuloy ba
hindi.
ang biyahe natin o hindi.
Ayun. Sige. So, ito na nga guys. After 3 days and 2 nights namin stay sa airport, finally, in a few minutes from now, maglalanda kami. Salamat naman. Sobrang pagod na. Bugbog ang katawan. Buyat. Yung wala kang masarap na tulog. And yung bowel movement mo hindi rin normal. So, iba talaga. Tapos may kasama pa kaming makulit na bata. Takbo ng takbo na. Iwanan niya pa tong phone. Buti na lang mabait yung nakapulot at hinintay ako doon sa lugar hanggang sa bumalik ako.
Malayo pa kayo.
Sunrise in the Philippines. Ganda ng kulay.
Mama, malayo pa yung
Bagong
na
pag-asa.
Tay-tay. Look! Kalayo!
Wow. It's the sunrise. Okay, we have a friend here
From Russia.
Russia. So, what is your purpose on visiting the Philippines?
Transfer zone. We go to Hong Kong the next.
Okay.
hour.
It will be just a stopover.
Yes.
Tell me how's your experience in so far in the flight.
It was great flight. Yes. But
Have you been stranded too?
sorry, what?
Have you been stranded in?
I don't understand this question.
You were part of the flight that has been delayed so far.
Yes. I was in the airport about 3 days. It was terrible.
3 days and 2 nights.
Yes.
Yeah. So you are with us.
Yes.
And the original flight must be 16th of the month. Okay. What can you say about the service of the?
Service is good.
The service is good, yeah.
Yes, but the light was terrible. Yes.
Yeah. Well, I don't think they cannot do anything about it. It's the act of God. So, well, anyway, thank you.
Yes. Thank you.
I hope you had a wonderful stay, a
Yes.
short stay in Manila.
I see.
Yun. Finally.
I wish you can go so fast, right? Johnny, Buaya-Balska.
Sige mga kabatang. Kamay. Shout out sa mga kabatang natin yan. Salamat sa kape. Kasi ito ba? Yung hindi rin? Kasi, that's all. It's okay, thank you.
Okay? May meal po tayo sa side.
So, we're gonna premiere here. Astrid, get one.
Ayun, ang complete.
Astrid, get one.
Ha?
Astrid, wait. You stop there.
Nandito na kay kuya.
Dalawa pa kuya.
Sir, meron ka na.
Pakibigay na lang sa kanya.
Ito na sa akin lang.
Sige, thank you.
Ay.
Yes. Dito passenger with Kinpat. Nakalimutan ko na. So ngayon on the way na kami papuntang pier from airport. Afternoon. Alabang. So 2 hours waiting time. Sakay na kami ng ferry boat patungong Palapan City. Yan, sa wakas. Sino daw?
Lating dudot daw.
Galing Nueva Ecija?
Nasa na sila?
Batangas Port. Yes. At 11 a.m. we are boarded at our ferry boat. 1.5 hour 1.5 hour travel time to our port destination. Then from that port, susunduin na kami ng aming pamilya. Losyang na lahat. Kahit po yung napakakulit nating maliit, losyang na rin.
It's a prank.
Anthony Taberna. Hindi ka to niya. And finally, nakauwi na si Astrid.
Really heavy. I think we need to put a lot of fat.
One representative from United Arab Emirates and one representative from South Korea.
Sorry, that's just my dad.